How to fix Facebook crash on Android. Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open settings of your phone. After this, open apps option, and here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Then when you find it, go to storage option, click now on the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on force stop, click also OK. Now go to this option, remove permissions if app is unused. You have to disallow it like I'm doing right now, and then go and open your Facebook, and you will find that your problem has been solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.